Hey, what's up everybody? Glenn here with Screen Connect. And today I'm going to show you how to set up the Microsoft Teams integration within your instance of Screen Connect. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to Admin, Extensions, Browse Extension Marketplace. And then you can just search for Teams up top here. So there it is. Once you get here, you're just going to want to click the install button. Naturally, I already have it, so that's why it says review there, but you would have install, and then you just simply install that. Next step is you're going to want to go over to Teams. You can create a new team. Give it a name. Just do Glenn Z Automations. Give it a description if you'd like, and then name it. So I'll just name it Connections. All right, that is all set. You can add users here, so you can add your technicians. I'll just skip that for now. And then you'll see it appear down here. So on the channel, you're going to want to go to Manage Channel. And then under Connectors, you click Edit. This will give you a list. You're going to want to add an incoming webhook here. Just click Add. We'll name this Connections as well. You can upload an image if you'd like, maybe your company logo. And then you just hit Create down at the bottom. That will generate a URL that you will then copy, and then just click Done down here. Then you will return to your Screen Connect instance. And down to this little, you have your notification center, and then this panel, you can find it. So configure Teams integration, there it is. And then I already have one created in here, but we'll just paste that webhook in there, and then you can select what events you want. So again, just for the purposes of this demonstration, we can just select, connection. You can select security events as well from here, and even times. Then you just want to save that. And then what that looks like is, let's say I'll go up here. Navigate to the channel. And then once I make a connection, you will see that appear right there. So there you have it. Hopefully this video was informative. Be sure to follow my YouTube page and even shoot me a like. Appreciate it. Have a good day.